A vow and an oath are two different things. An oath is obligating yourself to perform. I will be at the corner of 3rd and Main at 4 o'clock. That's an oath. A vow changes the status of something. So if I were to say, I will, and I'm not saying this, by the way, but if I were to say, I will refrain from eating bread, that becomes a vow. And by that vow, bread becomes something that is forbidden to me for a period of time. So during the period of that vow, for me to eat bread would be exactly the same as if I'd eaten pork, because bread is forbidden to me by that vow. If I were to say, for example, and I'm not doing this, but if I were to say I am dedicating this computer to God and it will not be used for anything except godly purposes, if I were to say that, then this computer would change status. And using that computer for then any purposes except God's purposes would now be a forbidden action, and for me to do that would be a sin because I have violated a vow. So what's a marriage vow? They change the status of two people. As part of that process, you give her a contract that says, I will earn a living, and I will support you, and I will support our children, and whatever else is in your contract. An oath of office or swearing to tell the truth, raise your right hand on the Bible, or any of those kinds of things. Those are oaths. And don't get me wrong. In God's eyes, a vow and an oath are equally binding. It is not the case that one is weaker than the other. What it is they do different things. You swear an oath to tell the truth, which means that you will not tell what you believe to be false. That's an oath. It's a promise to perform. You do a marriage vow, or a very common one is a Nazirite vow, where you dedicate yourself to God exclusively for a period of time, and part of that vow is everything having to do with the grape is forbidden to you. It's a stock vow. You could vow other things. So I could say, for the next 30 days, and I'm not saying this, for the next 30 days I will not eat meat. So for the next 30 days, then meat would become to me forbidden. A vow changes the status of something. An oath is a promise to perform.